Hello, I hope you are doing fine. I posted a shorts on YouTube of time lapse of painting this bookmark and got a lot of views. So I thought of making a painting tutorial on how to paint it. It is easy and beginner friendly. I hope you will enjoy painting it. If you paint it, please share it on Instagram and tag me. I would love to see your bookmarks. The things you will need to paint these are listed on the screen. So first, please tape your paper on table or board so it will not move when you are painting. Apply water on the paper and spread it equally on it. Remove excess water with the brush. Take the pink color and start applying on the top of the paper. We will keep the top section dark and drag the color to the bottom to get the fading effect. Take more color on your brush to make the top of the sky dark pink. Make sure the paper is still wet. Take the orange color and start applying from the bottom of the page. We will do exactly what we need with the pink color but keep the orange section smaller than pink. As the paper is still wet, we can easily blend both colors. I am adding more pink color on the top because I want it to be more dark. We will make the sun using the cloth or tissue paper. I learned this from another artist, Sukrita. The paper must be wet while doing this. Now it is time to apply beautiful purple clouds. Clouds wherever you want. It's your sky, you can paint it however you want. I hope you are enjoying. Don't stress if it don't turn out the way you want. It does not matter how your painting is looking. What matters the most is you enjoying the process of painting. Once you finish painting your clouds, wait till the painting is completely dry before painting the palm trees. If you're scared of painting the trees directly with colors, you can first sketch with pencil. I am using a small brush to paint the trees and birds. Take your time and slowly paint the trees with steady hand. And don't worry if you mess up, you can always try again. You can connect with me on Instagram. My handle is this. Let's paint birds. I think every sunset and sunrise paintings are incomplete without birds in the sky. Let me know in the comment if you want to learn how to paint birds with watercolor. And that's it. Here is your hand painted bookmark. This is the most satisfying thing to do, removing tape. Please subscribe to my channel to see more painting videos.